You could ride in a parade too if you'd like. Those of you at home, to find out more about the charitable auction, take a look at the Rose Festival's website. It's at www.rosefestival.org. This is an Oregon tradition for the past 97 years. The Rose Festival contributes $80 million annually to our local economy. We're proud of them. Here's the Centennial High School marching band from Gresham. That's just east of Portland, a little neighboring community east of Portland where one can gaze at breathtaking views of Mount Hood. And this is the Centennial High School marching band and color guard. This group placed third in last year's Grand Floral Parade, so we're so glad they're returning today to share their talents with us. One of the things that we don't get to bring you with our parade coverage is just the immaculate detail on these floats. But of course, there is the Pacific Power Showcase of floats at the Lloyd Center Cinemas parking lot, where they're on display all weekend.
Yeah, so folks, after the parade, the floats park, and all weekend long, folks get an up-close chance to not only see the floats, but to smell the floats, because these floats smell incredible when you're up next to them.
Yeah, a lot of them made of coconut and coffee beans.
Yeah. Fun to watch this one. Wow, look at the size of those horns.
How would you like to carry that for 4.2 miles along the parade route today? Way to go, guys. Hope you ate your Wheaties.
Just one big Rose Parade now in Portland, but years ago there were many parades throughout the Rose Festival, including one we used to have at night, which was electrified. Portland had the first hydroelectric power in the United States here, and it electrified these trolley-like floats that went down the street at night. But of course now we have this one grand floral parade.
And we have the Junior Rose Festival Parade for all the children, which has been a tradition for decades as well, and the Starlight Parade, which was last Saturday.
Right.
So our Rose Festival is something we take great pride in here in Portland, Oregon, and it continues more than a month long now. There's so many events, more than 60 events that you can see.
2 million people come here to see it every year.
Well, the Gresham High School marching band, great job.
Centennial High School marching band from Gresham. And the color guard. This is because we have seen international dignitaries and entries come, which is wonderful, but we also like to celebrate our civic pride in our local communities, and Centennial and Gresham being one of them.
It's that one time of year Portland has to show off to all America.
Yeah, we're glad you're with us today.